Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss rational numbers. Here we know that natural numbers are counting numbers. For example, the natural number it is going to be starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The next one, whole numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by capital N. Whole numbers or starts from 0, 0 with natural numbers. Here, for example, we know very well whole number starts from 0 plus we need to take here natural numbers. 0 with natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. If you look at this here, 0 is the starting number and plus just you need to take the natural numbers also. A natural number starts from 1 to infinity. It is denoted by capital W. Okay, now the third one here it is integers. Negative of natural numbers together with whole numbers. So here just we need to take, for example, here negative of the integral and the positive of the integral along with the 0 we used to call it as integers. So here negative of the natural numbers it is nothing but here I can write infinity, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So here just you can represent from minus to minus infinity and in the right side it is going to be plus infinity. So integers it is going to be minus infinity to plus infinity included 0. So here this negative numbers we used to call it as negative of the natural numbers. Till here you can take the values. Now if you look at this, from 0 to infinity, this we can take it as whole numbers. It starts from 0 till infinity, only the positive integrals. So this we used to call it as integers. It is denoted by capital Z or you can take it as capital I also. So both you can represent for integers. Today we are going to discuss the topic rational numbers. Let me see what is meant by rational numbers. If P and Q both are integers it is nothing but minus infinity to plus infinity including 0. Here Q is not equal to 0. This it is important condition. Then this P by Q we used to call it as P by Q is called a rational number. For example, here I can take -4 divided by 9 is a rational number. Here the number -4 and 9 both it is going to be belongs to integers. So here this sign we used to call it as belongs to. It means -4 and 9 both it is going to be placed in the integer set. Now here the second condition, Q, it should not be equal to 0. It means that denominator 9, it should not be equal to 0. You keep in your mind always whenever you are going to represent the rational numbers, it is in the form of P by Q. This Q, it should not be equal to 0. This Q, it should not be equal to 0. This we used to call it as a rational numbers. Okay, now we are going to discuss just you have to remember these concepts. The first one, 0 can be written as 0. This can be written as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 5, 0 by minus 10, etc. In this each case, if you look at this, the denominator, it is not equal to 0. If you take a 0, if you take denominator first as 1, denominator second, here we have 2, in the third number we have denominator is 5, and fourth we have minus 10. So this 1, 2, 5, minus 10, all this denominator, it is not going to be equal to 0. So here this 0 can be expressed as a fraction with a non-zero denominator. Non-zero denominator means denominator, it should not be equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0 means we can say here non-zero denominators. So this even we can say here it is going to be this value. We can say here it is fraction. So this 0 by 1 is a fraction, 0 by 5 is a fraction. So all these numbers, even we can say it is going to be a fraction. Even here 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Now here you may raise the doubt here, what is the difference between fraction and rational numbers? Just I am going to write here fraction and here rational numbers. Almost both it is going to be similar, but here fraction don't have the negative numbers. Here non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers. Here in the rational numbers, it is going to be a negative numbers and positive numbers. Positive numbers and as well as here negative numbers. Both it is going to be placed in the rational numbers. So here rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So the second difference here, if you look at this, remember if we cannot find here the negative, so we can see only that positive 1 by 2, 8 by 10, 6 by 9, all these numbers we used to call it as fractions. Here minus 1 by 2, 10 by 12, 4 by 5. So further if you simplify this, here you will get 4 and here it is 5. Here 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Here 5 2s are 10 and here it is 6 2s are 12. Why I have written here instead of 8 by 10 as 4 by 5? Because in the rational numbers it should be always in the standard form. Standard form means we should not find any factors between this numerator and as well as the denominator. The common factor always it should be 1, not more than 1. Is it clear to all? So this is fraction and this it is going to be the rational numbers. Here in the fractions also, Q it should not be equal to 0 when it is in the form of P by Q. And here's the same condition, P by Q. Q it should not be equal to 0. But the important condition here it is P and Q, it belongs to natural numbers. It means only the positive numbers. But when it comes to rational numbers, P by Q, it belongs to integers. Second one here, every natural numbers and every whole numbers, every integers and every fraction is a rational numbers. Just I am going to write here every natural numbers, every whole numbers, every integer every fraction. So here all these numbers we can say it is going to be a rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q.